Now coming to web server is the computer which store the content of website. Website generally accessible by the client side through web browser. Web browser send the request to the web server, and accordingly web server respond the request sent by the web browser and sent it through internet. So in order to perform the communication like request and response, hypertext transfer protocol is used. Hosting a website means creating a website, developing a website, and planning a website. So in order to host, we must have the plan about the technology that is to be used to develop the website. We must have some web space that is to be purchased to develop the website. We also plan to develop the different web pages to develop a one particular website. So the website planning can be related with FTP files upload, email accounts, website building tool, website, or the website may be related with database. So website hosting means organize the website in efficient way. Coming to web browser is an application software, and this application software is used by the client to access the internet. Using internet, we can access the multimedia content, we can upload our document, and we can also download the document from the internet. Different web browser can be used to access the internet. Some famous web browsers are Google Chrome, Opera, Safari, Internet Explorer, and Mozilla Firefox. Now some web browser setting. Here we cannot specify the specific setting for different web browsers. So instead of that, we can discuss some common setting which is to be enabled for safe browsing. So in order to save our username and password, phishing options should be enabled so that our data cannot be stolen by someone else. Malicious software protection must be there, and this option must be on for web browser setting. In order to save our internet data which is consumed through pop-up windows, we can enable the pop-up blocking on. Suppose we don't want to store our username and password of any email or login credential, we can opt for don't sync email option. Our automatic detail updates about the web browser must be on always, because whatever the pages that is sent by the web browser creator, it will be automatically updated on system if we make this option turn on. After ending the session or after exploring the internet, always clear browsing the data. Our computer system or internet used by other family members also. So in order to provide the facilities of firewall and proper internet, we can configure the privacy setting here. Security setting is also there, and as per the web browser you can configure this setting. Coming to the cookies. Cookies is the smaller file created by any website. Generally it is considered as maintaining the state of a browser session. So generally, suppose we are performing any transaction using any web browser and accidentally web browser becomes closed, and suppose we reopen the web browser after few time, we will get the same information with some message, then reopen the previous session. Like that we can recognize easily our previous work before close. So here is the cookies in background, which allows us to access the historical data that is closed recently. So two types of cookies are there: first party personal cookies and third party tracking cookies. First party personal cookies are created by the website that we are accessing, and this website used this cookies data temporarily. Third party tracking cookie is created by the different advertisement windows with the original website. So third party tracking cookies option must be disabled, whereas first party personal cookies option must be enabled in the browser setting. Now that's all for the computer network. Here is the assignment. I hope you will solve this assignment. This assignment is based on the questions which is normally asked in board examination. I also designed one online quiz for you. Please play it so that I can get the response from